Reminder 1. 2 power 2007 plus 1 divided by 3. Divided by 3. 2 power 2007 plus 1 when divided by 3. This is nothing but a power 2 power 2007 plus 1 power 2007. A power n plus b power n is divisible by 3. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. Third one. 43 power 101 plus 27 power 101 divided by 70. Divided by 70. Again the answer is 0. Why? Because a power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is odd. If n is odd. Now practice problems we did it. Now we will do exercise problems. 8 to 10 problems based upon this model. 8 to 10 problems based upon this model. Now see here. Exercise problems. Pure content based channel, sir. Pure content based channel. Now see. First question. Problems based on a power n plus or minus b power n. Problems based on a power n plus or minus b power n. 7 power 6n minus 6 power 6n. This can be written as 7 cube power 2n minus 6 cube power 2n. 2n is an even number. If n is a natural number, it is always divisible by a minus b. And it is also divisible by a plus b. Why? Because power is an even number. 343 minus 216. It is 127. 343 plus 216, which is 559. Number is divisible by 127 and 559. 559 is nothing but 13 fours are 52. 13 into 43. It is also divisible by 13. Answer for this question is all. Answer for this question is all. 7 cube power 2n minus 6 cube power 2n. A power n minus b power n. It is always divisible by a minus b and a plus b. A minus b power could be any natural number. In specific, it is a plus b because power is an even number. 2n is an even number. 343 minus 216, which is 127. 343 plus 216, it is 559. Number is divisible by 559 and 127. 559 is also divisible by 13. Or if you want, you can also do like this. 7 square power 3n minus 6 square power 3n. 49 minus 36. It is divisible by 13. It is divisible by 13. Idea clear? First problem. Answer is all of this. First problem. Answer is all of this. Few more problems based upon this model. Few more problems. Second one. Same model. One more practice question. 6 power 6n minus 5 power 6n. 6 cube power 2n minus 5 cube power 2n. A power n minus b power n. Power is a natural number. It is divisible by a minus b. Power is an even number. It is divisible by a plus b. 216 minus 125. Answer is 91. 216 plus 125. Answer is 341. It is divisible by 91 and 341. So you can also write it as 6 square power 3n minus 5 square power 3n. 36 minus 25, it is divisible by 11. 36 minus 25, it is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 91. It is also divisible by 341. Again, the answer for this question is all of this. Answer for this question is all of this. Second question, I hope it is clear. Second one, I hope it is clear. Third question. Third one. Second, I hope it is clear. Third one. Remainder when 16 power 3 plus 19 power 3 a power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. 16 power 3 plus 19 power 3, it is divisible by 35. A plus b. 17 power 3 plus 18 power 3, a plus b, it is divisible by 35. So, looking at a question, first and last divisible by 35. Second and second last divisible by 35. So, it is divisible by 35. Next, 16 is an even number, even power anything. 17 is an odd number, odd power anything. 18 is an even number. 19, it is an odd number. Even plus odd, it is an odd number. Even plus odd, it is an odd number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. So, numerator is divisible by 35 and an even number into some number. 35 into even number divisible by 70. Remainder is 0. 35 into even, it is 70. 70 into any number divided by 70. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. 16 plus 19 divisible by 35. 17 plus 18, it is divisible by 35. I will again come back to this question. This is method 1. I will tell you one more method. Method 1. First and last is divisible by 35. Second and second last is divisible by 35. So, it is 35. This is 35. 16 is even. 17 is odd. 18 is even. 19 is odd. Even plus odd, odd. Even plus odd, odd. Odd plus odd is an even number. This is also divisible by even. 35 and even. Answer is nothing but 0. Answer is nothing but 0. Next one. 74 power 13 minus 41 power 13. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. 74 power 13 minus 41 power 13 is divisible by 74 minus 41, which is 33. 75 power 13 minus 42 power 13, it is divisible by 33. Again, it is because of a power n minus b power n. 74 is an even number. Even power any number is even. 41 is an odd number. 75 is an odd number. 42 is an even number. Even minus odd, it is an odd number. Odd minus even, it is an odd number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. It is an even number. That means numerator is divisible by 33 and an even number into something divided by 66. 66 divided by 66, remainder is 0.